Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you on this fantastic Wednesday when parts of the market are in strong hands and some of them continue to be in profit booking. Let's start with the main indices first. You see a 50-point uptick on the Nifty, 24,600. Now, this is an interesting tale for the markets. Remember, yesterday there was a massive breakdown, and that was because the index wasn't moving anywhere for the last 15 trading sessions ever since May 12th, when we tried to hit above 25,000 and were unsuccessful in the next 4 attempts as well. The Nifty has been in a sideways band, the low being 24,700 and the high being 25,000. So this narrow 300 band, 300 point range is where the Nifty was for the last 15 trading sessions. A breakdown yesterday mainly because of selling pressure and shorts being placed because of Sensex's weekly expiry on Tuesday. But now a bit of sanity coming back. 31 shares in the Nifty out of 50 are in the green. The index is somewhere like 24,600. Overall, the sentiment on Dalal Street is fairly bullish. Some parts of the market are really good. Overall, 1471 shares. 1,470 shares are in the green versus 1,000 in the red. So it's an easy 3:1. For every 1 share that is falling, 3 are up. We track 19 indices for you. Out of 19, 18 are in the green. So broadly, it's a good move that's happening. Mid-cap stocks are in top shape. Mid-cap Select 100 index is up 0.5%. Out of 24 shares, 15 are in the green. The small cap 100 index is 0.5% higher. Out of 100 shares, 63 are in the green. Auto index is showing strength, 0.5% higher. IT index is 0.5% higher. Nifty Alpha 50 is about 1% higher. And within sectors, a very strong traction continues on defense counters. Record high on Garden Reach. This is the 4th most active traded counter, 8% higher today. 3,405. Hectic activity on Cochin Shipyard. So all shipbuilding stocks are up. 4% higher on Cochin Shipyard, 2,119. And similarly, you have a strong move on earlier Mazagon dock as well. Mazagon was up, let me just check, 1.1%, 3,477. So defense is doing very well, and today it's the turn of railway stocks to start participating from the PSU rally. So from the PSU basket. Therefore, you have a wagon maker Tex Rail 5% higher, 168. Anti-collision device maker Kernex Microsystems 1163, 4.5% higher. Then you have the entire Sarkari railway space. Railtel, RVNL, IRCON, RITES, IRFC. These are all low ticket, high beta items, 1.4 to 4.2% higher for the Sarkari companies. Apart from that, you have engine maker, wagon maker BEML. BEML also has a defense play. So BEML is 1.2% higher, 4,386. Let's look at some all-time highs in the market. This is a space where money is chasing quality and maybe some momentum as well. So Garden Reach, as I have mentioned, is at a record high, now 3,413. Today 44.4 lakh shares have been traded in the first almost 2 hours of trade, and there is a strong move that is coming into AstraZeneca. Third day of gains, 3% higher, 2.3% higher. AstraZeneca, the pharma company, 9,545. Hospital chain Fortis in top shape, 1.4% higher, 740. Then you have a strong move which is also coming into pipe maker, plastic pipe maker APL Apollo, fresh record high, 1870 for you, 3% higher. So this is what is happening in the NSE 100, but very strong gains into the entire railway pack. You see intraday highs being hit on RVNL 420, Railtel 417, both of them into strong gains. So this is a space that is ticking pretty well. So low beta, high beta and low ticket items are doing extremely well in the market. A strong move within the PSU basket, apart from defense and railway stocks, is happening in shipping corporation, 3.8% higher, 212. Remember, global shipping rates are now again up on the ascendant. So a strong move coming into GE Shipping and Shipping Corporation of India. This is something that needs to look at. MTNL 4% higher, 51.3. You have a strong move coming into Hind Copper, 1.2% higher. Mazagon and IREDA we've discussed earlier as well. What are the top gainers today? Music company Saregama, 7.6% higher, making good music in the market, 594. You have a strong move that is coming into Swiggy, 3.5% higher at 344.35. And of course, old world favorites, Policy Bazaar is doing pretty well. K Fintech is 2% higher, 1159. Birla Soft is 2% higher, 405. So broader markets, a nice traction on the green side. And of course, within railway, you see a strong move coming into all three wagon makers. Titagarh now trading in the vicinity of 910, 1.3% higher. Jupiter Wagons 3% higher, 402. And Tex Rail, the top gainer, 6.5% higher, 171. So that's how the markets are at this point of time. And a strong move now coming into the likes of IREDA, 175. You have a strong move coming into NHPC, 86 rupees. Rights is now up in top shape, 289 rupees as far as prices are concerned. And in terms of the very best, which is circuit limits, let me point out any names that I'd like to mark. No, we'll keep these out. Idea Forge is doing pretty well, 5.9% higher, 594.55. You have a strong move coming into DB Corp, 6% higher. This is a media organization, 270. And of course, you have a strong move coming into Hercules. Keep an eye out on Hercules Hoists, 5% higher at 177.43. Hercules Hoists is a very well-known maker of factory equipment, and this is the second day of very smart gains that have come up. Today 5% higher. Even yesterday the stock was circuit up 5%. So Hercules Hoists is something that you can look at. Otherwise, a very quiet trade today. Top traded counter today is Indegene, 4.5% lower. About 2100 crores worth of transactions have happened. Cochin Shipyard has clocked in 2000 crores. Aditya Birla Fashion Retail sell-off continues, 9% lower. This is post-merger, post-demerger. 1566 crores traded. Then you have Garden Reach and Mazagon. BSE is quiet today, 0.5% lower. So that's how the structure of the market is, ladies and gentlemen. The day belongs to railways today. So stay glued to Business Way Television. There's a lot that we are covering on markets on a fairly regular basis, and news continues unabated at the channel. Thank you for watching.